seriously, it's not organized. It once was, but you know, now we just shove it in these things. Special because it's only going to get into red anyways, and yeah, this is what we call jail. So cleaning jail. I'll show you guys a little overview. So this is what it looks like, and those are all stickers on the ground. It's not crumbs, it's stickers. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And they have this thing that's out, and then of course the caterpillar, and then this is jail. So now that Ilya's sleeping, I think I should go buy some slime. Look at these crazy baby hairs. Like, what do I do with them? I usually just pull them to the side like that, but that looks crazy. I'm gonna have to like slick it back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my camera's only at 20%. So happy Girls Day. The food that I showed you guys was, my dad had like a CPR class. Sorry, I thought that was Thursday. My dad had CPR class, and then his job had breakfast, so he brought some home from us. I hope that's Thursday. I'm gonna go buy slime. What you got? So Thursday got this slime, so she chose, and I don't know why, but she wanted these two. They're Shopkins squishies. So they were selling all of this.
And Dory have.
Story has more.
Yeah.
So this is what it smells good. These smell good. It's supposed to smell good. But anyway, so this is what she got for her Girls' Day gift. So I'm just gonna make this her Girls' Day gift because since we bought it, I was gonna take her to the store after to go choose something, but this is fine, and I know she's gonna like playing with this. Okay, let me go get your table down, okay?
Okay.
So don't mind her face. She had liquid lipstick on. I guess it's smeared. This is the Play-Doh she chose, or the slime she chose. Give love. Leah, give love. Give love to Sissy. No? Why? Give love. Give Tita love. 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 Love, Leah. Leah, give love. Give love. Come on, Leah. Ew, not to my mom. Leah, sit. I should have been recording earlier. She's grabbing everything and eating stuff she can touch. No, you don't need that. Sit. Leah. Leah, sit. Can you just sit? Oh, I know it's messy. I also got a gallon of milk, but I already put it away. So we got some flank steak. So there's recipes that I got from BuzzFeed, Tasty, whatever it's called, and I want to try them. So flank steak, got mayo. These were expensive. It was 2 for something, like buy one get one free or something like that, and it was expensive. But I know we were out and I needed it for my corn, so I got 2 sweet corn. Got 2 sugars. Stop opening the drawer, kid. Got tahini. Got condensed milk. Got Parmesan cheese, got cilantro, got asparagus, got limes, got ginger, and cornstarch. Boom. Out the handy dandy scaler because I have no idea how much 5/8 cups is. Bless me. I don't know if I'm dumb, but I don't see nothing that's 5/8 cups. And is this milliliters? No, I don't want that. It says 100 grams or 5/8 cups. The hell is that? Well, I'm about to measure stuff. We're at 99. There we go. So 100 grams. 3/4 of a cup is 5/8 cups. Oh my jeez Louise. Guys, so today I'm going to be making some chichindango mochi. So stay tuned to watch what I do. I definitely for sure put too much what is it called, condensed milk, so maybe you want to put a little bit less because that flavor is strong. And the corn starch, you gotta really get that off because it makes them out dry. So that's my recommendations. Is it yummy? Yeah, Ilea likes it. Notice I'm like so shiny and smiling, but I'm all moisturized up for sleeping. Bye.